Okay, let's look and see what we have in this refrigerator. This right here is almond milk made from my Vitamix this morning. I have some rice milk. The 365 brand from Whole Foods has no GMOs. And I have beans and I have corn. This has carrot sticks in it because I made hummus. This down here is homemade spaghetti sauce with oven roasted tomatoes, roasted garlic. This is shredded carrots, ginger and lemon. There is a red onion. This is shredded cabbage that I throw in my salad or whip up a vegan wonderful coleslaw that I found a recipe for. These are dried figs, and those belong to my husband. These are dates that are used for smoothies, like a dessert smoothie. You can do dates, yogurt, almond milk. Tastes like dessert. That is creamed corn that will probably sit in there for a month and then go in the trash. And then this right here is all natural Laura Scudder's peanut butter, and the ingredients are, if you look right there, peanuts. That's it. And then I have some cantaloupe here. This right here is red leaf lettuce washed and ready for salads. And then this is my just cut up stuff that I use for salads. That right there is cut up, washed, ready to go organic kale for my salads. Can't believe I eat kale. This is organic spinach for my salads or whatever. This is leftover, so good tortellini soup that I got from No Sugar Sweet Life, her website. This is green leaf, washed and ready, celery, carrots. This is like a pumpkin seed, mainly pumpkin seeds to throw on my salads. Cilantro in there, washed and ready. Homemade hummus from my Vitamix. Garbanzo beans, a little olive oil, a little lemon, some artichoke, and sesame seeds. Did I say garlic? Garlic's too, also. This right here is blueberries. Those are not organic, but this is flax that I sometimes add to smoothies or bread or whatever. And these are older than old tortillas. That's cheese. And we have red peppers. We have asparagus. We have what is that? An eggplant that we are going to make some of this wonderful eggplant that you put on like a brown rice crust. So good. More carrots, chives, partial cabbage, red peppers, water down below, and jalapeno peppers. We like things hot. That's good for stir fry. All these condiments that are processed and yes, all of that. And cream cheese. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. A face mask that I better use because it is all natural, that comes from the Lush store. So anyways, that is, oh, and I have Greek yogurt. I use those for smoothies from time to time. So that is what a refrigerator looks like as you are trying to get off of processed food. So Anyways, I do a lot of stir fries, I do soups, I do salads. I get my vegan cookbook out. We're not completely vegan at all, by no means, but we are trying really hard to get whole foods into our diets. So anyways, there's the fridge. Bye-bye.